Hello, hopefully everybody's practicing their safe distancing. I'm going to go over my top 7, they only have 7, fragrances from Renier Perfumes. I really can't afford Renier Perfumes.
Deal with it.
I bought the sampler set from Crystal Fragrances, and since I'm a regular customer, she threw the other 3 in so I could review the whole line. Stay tuned. So I like all of these fragrances except one, which is the Delirious, but I'm gonna go through them 1 through 7, which ones are my favorite. Number 1 would definitely have to be Banna 500. Banna 500 is a coffee, milk, and honey fragrance. Very, very heavy and very, very strong. I give it a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it is strong, but it's very intoxicating. Banna 500. Number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list, Oud Rain. Oud Rain is a very tropical oud. Oud Rain is a fragrance I could wear in Miami. It's like a beachy oud, if you will. Oud Rain has papaya, mango, pineapple. It has that spicy saffron in there, and it will really give you a tropical vibe like you're at the beach.
The beach!
It has a little bit of tangerine in there as well. So it's a very Miami appropriate oud. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite, and I would say it's blind buy worthy. If you have the bucks, either way, you could get the sampler set at Crystal Fragrances for $60. I've checked other places. You can't get it for less than $60. I think I saw it somewhere else for 70. 60 with free shipping, and Crystal Fragrances will usually throw in a couple extra for you. Behik. I would like to have the Behik challenge here on YouTube among the fragrance reviewers. It's a nice tobacco cannabis fragrance. Smells great, smells very realistic to cannabis. It will put you to sleep. I'm saying after 15 minutes, my eyes get so heavy that I just want to go sleep. So I use it for pre-sleep, to go relax. If I want to sleep, if I know I'm going to go to sleep, I wear Behik. I wouldn't wear it before a very important business meeting, that's for sure. Behik. Very good fragrance. At number 3, Crystal Rain. Crystal Rain has been compared to Creed Aventus. I wouldn't say it's better or worse than Creed Aventus. It's in the same vein. It's a very magical fragrance. It's a very tangy Aventus, if you will, if you want to compare it to Aventus, which a lot of people have. For me, it's like spraying magic crystals on me. It's got that soft sillage, so it's not going to project. But if you want a different variation on Creed Aventus, you know, you might want to check out Bond number 9, Scent of Peace, but to me it's too juniper heavy. I prefer this one. This is Crystal Rain by Renier Perfumes. Kisses Rain. What's special about Kisses Rain is the heliotrope note. The heliotrope note is like a purple flower, which gives it that sweet scent. Also, it's an almond vanilla scent, primarily an almond vanilla scent. George loves this one. I like it as well, but it leans a little feminine. George likes it a little feminine. Me, I prefer a little masculine, so it's not for me. For a woman, I would say this is a 10 out of 10, but for me, I wouldn't wear it. It's a beautiful fragrance to smell, but I wouldn't wear it, so it's not for me. Number 5. Number 6, Black Rain. Black Rain has been compared to Acqua di Parma Colonia Oud. Now, I like Colonia Oud a lot. In fact, I love Colonia Oud, but I feel Colonia Oud leans a little masculine, while this leans more in the unisex, a little slightly female territory. It's a very good fragrance, but for me, I would prefer Acqua di Parma Colonia Oud. Black Rain at number 6. Number 7, Delirious. Delirious smells great. It's very, very tropical, but it reminds me of an air freshener, or maybe like when you go to Publix, you go get Misteline. Misteline smells great, but this is better smelling than Misteline. It's an air freshener. For me, I wouldn't wear it because it does give me a headache. It's just like wearing a cleaner, like a chemical cleaner. Smells great. It doesn't smell laden with chemicals. It smells nice, but it's just too fruity. There's nothing to offset it. There's nothing to balance it out, really. Smells great. I could use it as an air freshener or just something to clean my floors with. Stay safe out there. Make sure you use social distancing. You don't want to catch anything bad in the air. So I'm staying home. I'm purchasing fragrances and I'm making YouTube videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, let me know. Peace.